The signature golden skin is crispy, juicy, and irresistible. Each chicken slices perfectly, juicy inside, crispy outside.
Opening the tray reveals golden, steaming, perfectly cooked chicken.
Today, I'm taking you inside Costco's kitchen to show you exactly how these famous rotisserie chickens are made.
Every Costco rotisserie chicken starts its journey right here at the farm. Healthy barns keep every chicken safe, hydrated, and well-fed. Digital monitoring ensures each chicken grows just right. Automated feeders deliver precise nutrition to every bird. Sanitized crates keep chickens comfortable during the journey. Chickens are loaded safely for the short trip to the processing plant.
The journey to Costco's processing facility begins under perfect conditions.
Here, the chickens will be transformed into the famous Costco rotisserie chicken.
Every crate is checked and recorded for full traceability.
Chickens wait briefly in a carefully controlled environment before processing. Each bird is gently washed to meet strict hygiene standards. Each chicken receives a precise brine solution to lock in flavor and juiciness. Perfectly injected brine ensures every bite is flavorful and tender. Costco ensures humane, fast, and precise processing for every chicken.
Chilling preserves freshness and ensures perfect cooking quality later.
A perfect blend of seasoning coats each chicken evenly. Each bird is positioned perfectly for consistent rotisserie cooking. Slow rotation and even heat deliver the signature golden rotisserie color. Every chicken is monitored to guarantee consistent taste and juiciness.
The final glaze ensures a shine, crispy finish on every rotisserie chicken.
Chilled carefully to lock in flavor while maintaining perfect skin. Robots place each chicken carefully into its tray, ready for packaging. Each tray is sealed tightly to lock in flavor and freshness. Labels provide essential info and the iconic Costco branding.
Every tray is inspected to ensure perfection before boxing.
Trays are carefully packed into boxes for safe delivery. Sealed and labeled, each box is ready for shipment. Robots stack boxes onto pallets with perfect precision. Stretch wrap secures pallets for safe transport. Forklifts store pallets in climate-controlled warehouses until shipment. Loading docks prepare to send millions of chickens to stores nationwide. Each pallet is loaded carefully to ensure safe transport. Sealed and logged, trucks head out for Costco stores nationwide. refrigerated trucks transport chickens safely to regional distribution centers. Every chicken batch arrives ready to be sorted for store delivery. Forklifts move pallets into place, ready for store allocation.
Robotic systems sort pallets for every Costco location across the country.
Pallets are loaded and secured for fast, reliable delivery to stores. Distribution trucks head to stores nationwide, keeping chickens fresh. Fresh pallets arrive at Costco stores, ready for display. Pallets are moved into temperature-controlled sections for quick shelf placement. Chickens are placed on rotisserie shelves, cooked and ready to grab. Customers are greeted by perfectly cooked, ready-to-go rotisserie chickens. Shoppers grab their favorite golden rotisserie chicken with ease. Fast checkout ensures shoppers take home fresh, ready-to-eat chicken. Shoppers take home a golden, flavorful rotisserie chicken. The signature golden skin is crispy, juicy, and irresistible. Costco rotisserie chicken brings families together for delicious meals. Each chicken slices perfectly, juicy inside, crispy outside. Perfectly plated, ready to delight the whole family. Kids love the golden, flavorful rotisserie chicken every time.
Every meal is a feast, with rotisserie chicken taking center stage.
Freshly cooked chickens rotate for perfect visibility and selection. Quick checkout makes bringing home fresh chicken effortless. Shoppers bring home fresh, golden rotisserie chicken, ready to enjoy. Rotisserie chicken arrives home perfectly cooked and ready to serve. Perfect slices are served, highlighting the crispy skin and juice meat.
Crispy, juicy, and perfectly cooked, every bite is delicious.
Crispy skin and juicy meat make every bite irresistible.
Leftovers stay fresh, ready for later meals.
Stored properly, Costco rotisserie chicken stays delicious for days.
Cleanup is simple, leaving the kitchen ready for the next meal.
Costco rotisserie chickens are a store favorite, day and night. Chickens rotate on display, keeping them hot and ready to grab. Clear labeling ensures shoppers know exactly what they're picking. Quick scanning and checkout make the process seamless. Fresh rotisserie chicken is safe and ready to travel home.
Opening the tray reveals golden, steaming, perfectly cooked chicken.
Chicken slices effortlessly, juicy inside, crispy outside.
Plated perfectly, ready to serve for a family feast. Leftovers stay fresh and ready for later meals. Stored properly, rotisserie chicken remains delicious for days. Costco rotisserie chickens remain a favorite, day and night. Chickens rotate for perfect visibility and freshness. Shoppers leave with hot, delicious chicken, ready for home.
If you want to watch more detailed videos on manufacturing and technology like this, make sure to like and subscribe to the channel.